we're here at room 8701 in the new Island Tower at the Polynesian. This is a duo studio room, which means you can only have 2 people in it. And it's a resort view, which we'll see in a minute. You enter and immediately you're in the bathroom, essentially. We have a single sink, but plenty of counter space. A few shelves for storage below, but no drawers. And then to the left is the rest of the bathroom. And it's very teeny tiny. Toilet and shower right next to each other. And that's about all you've got. Good storage space inside the shower. That fancy rain part of the shower and your normal shower head. And all of the things you could want to use while you're in the shower. Got quite a bit of storage space in here, considering that you're only going to have 2 people. Let's go ahead and open up this closet. It's got 2 sides. It lights up when you open it. There's your pillows for your bed up there. It is a DVC studio, so you'll see some things you won't get in normal Disney resort rooms. Tiny bit of storage other than hanging here in the closet. You got your safe, a laundry basket, and then plenty of drawers here under the TV. You could fit lots of things in there. And a little table and a little stool, which is a nice added touch. Doesn't take up too much room. On the other side, you have your kitchenette. Again, DVC. Even though it's a tiny studio, it's still a studio. So it'll have that microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker. There's plenty of storage space in here because most of these aren't full. But we can see we've got a few glasses, mugs, a toaster oven up there. And in one of these drawers, we've got our silverware, too. Can opener, bottle opener. And this is where all your trash is going to go. All right, we've already toured almost the whole room. Over on this side is the couch space that will turn into a bed here with the tug. Before we do that, one thing I was noticing is that Disney's been pretty good about putting in lots of outlets in their new rooms. You have a few here in the kitchenette. None under the TV, which is a little weird because I feel like in newer style rooms we've got more charging ability under the TVs. You have one outlet to this side of the bed, but no nightstand there. You've also got one outlet over here by your stool. And then in this little alcove area, which can serve as a nightstand once we pull the bed down, you got a little bit more charging up by your phone that is so elegantly squished right there. So if we take a step back, we can see the room as a whole. It's pretty, it's light. I feel like even when it gets dark outside, this is still going to be a nice, bright, cheery room. But it is small. So when we pull down this bed, maybe. You can tell that hasn't been done many times before. This room is still new. So you've got a small bed. I'm surprised they don't let you sleep a third person here in the little lounge next to your bed, or maybe that's where you kick your partner out when you don't want to be bothered by them in this small bed. So there you go, bed, kitchenette, entertainment center, and bathroom, all ready to go. Now this is a resort view room. Even still, the rack rate for this room is something like $700 a night. But the resort view currently gets you a view of a bunch of construction and the parking lot. Someday this will be a nice view of a golf course, but today is not that day. Interesting note, I'm not opening this door because it is the heaviest door I've ever had to slide open. I don't need to do that again. right now. And the monorail is just outside there. This is the 7th floor, so it's a few stories down, but when the doors open, you definitely get all that monorail and road noise. So there you have it. Room 8701, Duo Studio at the new Polynesian Tower.